Open the cover. Fix mounting plate. Screw on the nut. Do not lock it. Make sure it can slide up and down. Check whether the door leaf can slide smoothly before installation. Fix machine. Move the machine to ensure the belt clip fits well with the door body. Tighten the screw. Tighten the right screw by using the same method. Fix belt clip. Power on. Debugging. Attention! You should press down the function option button on the controller and the power switch at the same time. Debugging. Put on the cover. Installation is complete.